Do you know that the word race car, if it's spelled backward, become race car too? Hi, nice to meet you. We are from Tachyon Tilation, representing Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Bandar Baru Sungai in Airport in School Competition. The purpose of this presentation is to tell about the flow of our preparation for the competition, including researches and analyzing data. Now I'll pass to the next presenter, who is Chan Ho Yin.
Our team's name is built of two words, which is tachyon and tilation, of course. Tachyon is a super speed particle. You can travel in a higher velocity than light, while tilation refers to time manipulation. And now, I'm going to introduce you to our team members. First of all, we got Abdul Azim as team manager and also the manufacturing engineer. Ben Lam as the design engineer. Shiva Sharini as the marketing and resource manager. And me myself as the graphic designer. And this is our team's logo. The two T's here stands for the first alphabet of our team's name. And also, small letter T here represent time, based on our physics knowledge. Our team's motto is changing the future, which means if the speed of our car can overcome the speed of light, time manipulation may occur and we may go through time to decide our future, whether it's a victory or defeat. Now our team's color is black, blue and white. The color black stands for strong will of each of our members in carrying out the task. The color blue indicates honesty, loyalty and purity. And also the color white stands for the creativity of each of our members in carrying out the mission. Overall, the color black is related to color white because when black hides, white brings to light, which means an inability of a member can be overcome by the others by teamwork and hard work. Now, let me pass the presentation to my lovely teammate Shiva Sharini.
Hello guys, my name is Shiva Sharini and I play the role of marketing and resource manager in my team. Today, I'm going to reveal the secrets of my marketing strategy, which is GSE. Do you guys know what is GSE? GSE stands for goal, spread and exploit. My strategy begins with goal setting, where my ultimate objective is to find sponsors to support my team financially. Besides, earning publicity for my team is also one of the goals setted. Then, followed by spreading, where I try my level hard to collect as many of email addresses and contact numbers of companies of various fields to spread my objective through mailing and keeping them tracked by ringing them. Towards the end, I exploit as much of benefits from the company who are willing to sponsor us, especially in terms of receiving funds for my team's financial backup. We also exploit the ideas from the expert through technology transfer with the lectures from UKM for class simulation and also the lectures from UTA for marketing and presentation guide. Apart from that, we also use the power of social media to promote my team among the public. The social media that we have been used is Instagram, Gmail, blogger website and of course the Facebook.
Hi guys, my name is Ben and I play the design engineering role of the team. First, I would like to explain the source of idea. Little do you know that we as a team have spent tons and tons of hours working, brainstorming for the idea. Now, we have come up with the idea of the shark. Now, why do we choose the shark? Let me tell you why. Shark has been proven by scientists to be almost impossible to outswim. Now, you know when you'll be one. Okay, so moving on. The Bernoulli's principle is based on a simple shape called the aerofoil. Bernoulli's principle states that the pressure of a fluid decreases at where the speed of the fluid increases and vice versa. Moving on to the aerodynamics, there are four main elements of force, which is lift, drag, thrust and downforce. Lift and downforce basically acts vertically on the car. Lift, we don't want lift because we want the car to stay on the ground, and thrust basically accelerates the car and drag slows the car down. The software we have used, the first one I would like to explain is Autodesk Inventor 2015. This is how it looks like. We have used this to design the car, technical drawings and also the renderings. Okay, now for the simulation software, the first one we have used is ANSYS Fluent. There are three main steps in generating the simulation, which is geometry, meshing, and solving. The first one will be geometry, which is just placing the file from Autodesk Inventor into NC Fluent. The second one, meshing, where the software, we have to create a netting around the car, and the smaller the netting, the more accurate the simulation. For solving, the software automatically generates the simulation for you. Okay. The last one will be Star CCM Plus. Halfway during the simulation for the NC Fluent, we stumbled upon a problem, which is the software actually crashed, and we had to move on to using this software, which is Star CCM Plus. This is how it looks like, the final result. The different colors of the lines indicate the different velocities, and the blue color, you can see here, it shows the slowest velocity around the car, and that indicates drag. Now, I bet you must be begging to know what our team car name is. Now here it is, Kronos. Kronos is a character which has the power to manipulate time, and if we as a team follow in his footsteps, we, whose future is yet to be determined, can have the power to manipulate time and see a brighter future.
Hello everyone, my name is Abdul Azim and I'm the manufacturing engineer for the team. I'll tell you a few things about car manufacturing. First of all, I'll start with front wing and rear wing. The force that applies on the wings are around 3 times of the car weight. If the car weighs 0.55 Newton or 55 grams, the minimum weight of the rule, there are around 165 grams or 1.65 Newton force applies on it. So the material used for it must be strong enough and does not break easily. Bearings. Bearings are one of the materials used to reduce the frictional force between the wheels and axles, thus to increase speed. There are 2 types of bearings, stainless steel and ceramic. We decided to use stainless steel as it is cheaper and will provide us a decent performance. Wheels, solid or hollow. We decided to use hollow as it is lighter in weight, and material used for it is acrylonitrile butadiene styrene or ABS. Move on to rapid prototyping. Rapid prototyping is a method which allows us to produce the smaller yet higher complexity parts according to our design using the selected material. In this case, we use acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. FDM as our RP method. What is FDM? FDM is fused deposition modeling, similar to 3D printing technique, where the machine lays the materials chosen onto the mold into layers. It hardens over the cooling process to get the product needed. Why FDM? We use FDM as it is economical, time-saving, yet will provide us a satisfactory quality of level. Let's move on. Why do we use ABS? Maybe you will be wondering, why do I say ABS for this and ABS for that? ABS or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene is widely used in rapid prototyping. Actually, there is another material which is polylactic acid or PLA. But why ABS? We use ABS as it is lighter in weight due to a lesser density, priced on the lower side, and will provide us the same material strength as PLA. Now, as a conclusion, from this competition, we learned the true meaning of teamwork. Other than that, we managed to add extra knowledge other than the things that we learned in school. That's all for our presentation. Thank you for watching.